Sireeruckhachati was built under the concept of universal design by designing the environment, layout, facility of the eater, and people with disabilities, in order to allow all groups of visitors to learn and visit the park equally. For the first objective of Sireeruckhachati is all group of people, including the disabled, to have herbal learning resources by collecting, planting, and preserving according to international standards, complete with interesting learning materials. The second objective of Sireeruckhachati is to create a research and development on the species that has economic potential, using basic methods and biotechnologies to support agriculture and industry, including the propagation of rare and endangered herb species to return to plants in the natural forest for conservation and use. The third objective of Sireeruckhachati is to collect DNA samples and seeds to be a source of information and conversation in accordance with international standards, and provide reference service and inspection for medicinal plant species. For the fourth objective of Sireeruckhachati is to organize knowledge transfer activities for the public through experience in both theory and practice, and to be able to apply for good health and worldwide use for resources.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about the balance of the element substance.
Balance of the four elemental substance. Basic of elemental elements and the age range is considered as an internal factors that causes of the units different from each other. There are some external factors that break the balance and make other units, such as climate change or season and during the day, different environments such as on the landscape, mountain, or beside the water.
Hello, my name is Krawarn. My name is Kaow. Today we're going to talk about caffeine before buying, which are traditional traditional medicine, indication, recommendation, warning, and advertising. Registration number, name of active ingredients, lot number, manufacture date, expiry date, name and address of manufacturer,